Okay, so today I will be teaching you the FOIL method. And the formula for the FOIL method is A plus B times C plus D. But you're going to multiply the first two numbers, A and C, and then you're going to do the outer two numbers, which is A and D, and then the inner, B and C, and then whatever is left over, B and D, or last. Okay, so let's get started and do some examples. So the first example is 5x minus 3 times 2x plus 7. Okay, so again, first we're multiplying the first two numbers, which is 5x and 2x. So 5x times 2x equals 10x squared. Then you're going to do the outer, 5x and 7. 5x times 7 equals 35x. And then you're going to do the inner, negative 3 times 2x equals negative 6x. And finally, the last step is negative 3 and 7, which is the leftovers, last thing we have to do. Negative 3, oh, made a mistake there. Negative 3 times 7 equals negative 21. Okay, so after we get these numbers, we have to put them together, let's say. So it's 10x plus 35x minus 6x minus 21. And then we have to combine like terms. So since these are the only like terms, we have to combine them. So 10x to the second plus 35 minus 6 is 29. So 29x minus 21. And that is our final answer. So let's try another one. Okay, so this example is 4x minus 5 and 3x minus 8. Okay, so again, first is 4x times 3x, which is 12x squared. Then the outer, which is 4x and negative 8, so it's negative 32x. Then the inner, negative 5 and 3x is negative 15x. And negative 5 and negative 8 for the leftover is positive 40. And again, we have to combine terms, which is negative 32x and negative 15x. So our final answer will be 12x squared minus 47x plus 40. And we'll do one more example, and then after I will put some problems up to do on your own. So the last problem, number 3, is 3x squared plus 4 times 7x minus 2. So again, the first numbers is 3x squared and 7x. So you multiply those and you get 21x to the third power. Then you do the outer numbers, and it is 3x squared and negative 2, which is negative 6x squared. And then you do the inner, which is 4 and 7x, and you get 28x. And then you do the leftovers, which is negative 2 and 4, and you get negative 8. and again, combine the like terms. So your final answer is 21x to the third power plus, oh, this doesn't have any like terms. So you just keep it the same. So this is your final answer, 21x to the third power minus 6x squared plus 28x minus 8. Okay, and now I will write down problems, and I'll give you a minute to do them, and then I'll put the answers up. So the first problem is 6x plus 5y and 2 times 2x plus 3y. And the second problem is 2x to the third power minus 3 times 4x to the third power minus 1. And I'll give you about 30 seconds to do that. It won't take you very long. Okay, so the answer for the first problem is 12x squared plus 28xy plus 15y squared. And the second answer for the second problem is 8x to the sixth power minus 14x to the third power plus 3. Let me know if you got the correct answers. And yeah, thank you for watching.